Hello and welcome back to Xauusd. This is another Forex weekly analysis video. So what we'll do here every week is to come here to look at the Forex chart from the monthly time frame down to 4-hour time frame. We'll call it top-down analysis. We analyze the price, tell you the possible entry positions, the possible stop losses. So you're able to take advantage of this video because this video will help you to know the direction of the market, where the market will be flowing this week. So as you are planning for your weekly trading, you should be targeting buys for a particular asset or sells for a particular asset. So if this is your first time coming across our channel, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll be a part of this family. Let's go. Starting on a monthly time frame on a gold. So what we are seeing in our front now is that gold is very bullish on a monthly time frame. You can see it. So gold is creating higher high and higher lows. What do I mean? Gold has created this leg, higher high, higher low on a monthly, and it's going for another higher high at where? At 3,000 ounce. This is monthly resistance where gold is heading to. So let's go to weekly time frame to see how we can see a buying opportunity that will take us to this monthly resistance level. All right. So on a weekly time frame, we are experiencing the same thing we saw on a monthly time frame, which is higher high, higher lows. You can see it's higher high, higher low, and we are going for another higher high. After higher high, what next? Higher low. But the question is, how do we take a buy from this current position to the monthly resistance level? So let's go take a look further at the daily chart to see what is happening on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, I can see it, price is just moving linearly towards the monthly resistance level. Okay, so there's no much price action that will tell us details here. Let's go down to 4-hour time frame for further analysis. So on a 4-hour time frame, you can see that this zone now is our resistance level. The price is at 4-hour resistance level. You can see it, first attempt, second attempt, this is the third attempt, and this is our support level. So price might see a sell pressure that will bring this price here down for us to take another buying opportunity, or alternatively wait for price to break above this zone. If price break above this zone, then come back for a retest. We take our buy towards the monthly resistance level. So our target this week on gold is buy. We will not be looking for sell. Even if this price is coming down here, we will not be looking for sales. All our action will be buy, 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 buy. So we're monitoring for an opportunity to buy on Xauusd. So next on our list is Gbpusd. So on a monthly time frame, what do you notice? Price is bearish after creating this lower low here. Price has not visited this region again. Rather, price has created a lower high and has come back here to put up another low here at this monthly support level. Because if you take a look at here, take a very good look, you see that whenever price comes here, it goes up. Price comes here, it goes up. It comes here, it goes up. It comes here, it goes up. And price has visited this region again. And you can see this pin bar. But the question is now, this buy pressure that you are witnessing on a monthly support level, where is this buy pressure going to head? Will you be able to get to this monthly resistance level or not? Let's find the answer in a weekly time frame. So let's go down to weekly time frame for further analysis. So on a weekly time frame, you can see that we are bearish on a weekly time frame. How do we know? Because price is doing series of lower low, lower high. You can see it lower low, lower high. Created a lower high, created another leg of lower low. Okay, and price is currently going for where? It's going to create equal lower high before we can pick up a sell pressure towards this zone. So our target now is that we can take advantage of this buying opportunity from this zone and take it up to about 1.27500 before we start selling again. So we are buying to do what? To sell. So let's go down to daily time frame for another look. All right, so on a daily time frame, what we are seeing now is that price is bullish on a daily time frame because you can see it higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and we keep going in that format. Okay, and our target is to get to this weekly resistance level. That is our target, and you can see this bullish engulf candle breaking above this place, and price has come back for a retest. After the retest, what next? Price will continue going up. So let's go to 4-hour time frame where we'll be taking a deep look into this. So on a 4-hour time frame, you can see that price has created a new high on a 4-hour time frame, because also we are bullish on a 4-hour time frame. After this high, we'll come back for a higher low, and we created another higher high. Price is retracing back for higher low, but this higher low may see a buy pressure using this other block. You can see this place. So at this zone, we'll be watching for a change of character in 15 minutes time frame. If we see a change of character at this zone, we'll buy towards weekly resistance level. If we don't see a change of character here, that means we will allow this price to come to this zone, to this 4-hour support level. Then we'll look for a buy opportunity from there. So it's either we'll buy here with a confirmation. If we don't see the confirmation, we'll buy this zone. So our target this week is to buy on GBP USD. So next pair on the list is Euro USD. Let's go to Euro USD. So Euro USD on a monthly time frame, you can see very clearly that we are bearish. How do I know? Because we have created, you can see it, we have created lower low. This is a lower low. After this lower low, we are going for a lower high to kiss this zone. After touching this zone, what next? Price will continue falling down. So let's go down to weekly time frame to see how we can take advantage of this small buy. Let's have a look on the weekly time frame. So on a weekly time frame, you can notice that this is our weekly support level. Price has moved from this zone, lower low, lower high, and we'll move another one, lower low. We created the first lower high, but it did not visit this zone. Okay, and we'll come back again for equal lower low, and we are going back again to this zone. We want to make sure that price touch this monthly resistance level now. Okay, so when price touch this zone, we'll keep selling towards this zone. So let's go down to daily time frame for further analysis. So on a daily time frame, clearly we are in uptrend in this daily time frame, because what I'm seeing here is higher high and higher low. You can see it's starting from this zone, we'll move up like this, we'll come back for a retest, and we created a higher high, we created a higher low. So we are going to complete this higher high at this zone before price will see a sell pressure towards. So the question is, how do we take advantage of this buy from this zone to this zone? Let's answer this question on a 4-hour time frame. So let's go to 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame, you can see that currently price has created first leg of higher high, higher low. Tried to push up, but it couldn't to push up. So price is coming back again to see a buying pressure before price will start picking up. So we are expecting price to touch at least this other block. You see this red candle here. If price come to this red candle and we see a buy pressure on 15 minutes time frame, we'll take a buy. But if we don't see the confirmation, we will allow price to come down to this zone. Then we'll take a buy from this zone towards the weekly resistance level. Okay, so this is how we approach this price on Euro USD. So next pair on our list is GBP JPY. So GBP JPY on a monthly time frame is trying to come down to this monthly support after seeing creating this higher high, higher low. Tried to create another high high, but they couldn't, and saw a sell pressure using this other block. So price is trying to come back to see if you can complete another higher low at this monthly support level. So let's go to weekly time frame for further analysis. So this is the weekly time frame. What do you see on the weekly time frame? Price has pushed up from this zone, created a high and created a higher low, created a higher high and created another higher low, created equal higher high, created another higher low. Tried to push up, but it couldn't, and price breached this zone, created a lower low. After this lower low, price will come back for a retest, and we are falling down again. So in the weekly time frame, currently we are bearish. Let's go down to daily time frame to see further analysis. So this daily time frame, even daily time frame, we are also bearish, because price created this lower low, lower high, lower low. From this zone, we created lower low. Okay, let me put it again. From this zone, we have our lower low and created lower high this zone, and this is another lower low. This is lower high, and we are going for a lower low or equal low. So price, I'm expecting price to at least come to this zone. So the question is, will you be able to take this small buy, this small sell from this zone to this zone? Let's answer it on a 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame will tell us if we continue selling or not. So on a 4-hour time frame, so this is 4-hour time frame. So you can see that in 4-hour time frame we're also bearish because price is creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and another lower low. Okay, but this lower low, price has not completed it, but it's in as a buy pressure somewhere around here. So we wait for price to complete this lower low somewhere this zone and give us another lower high, and we'll continue selling in that direction. But this is our support area that we expect that when price come to this support area, then we might see a reversal. So let's be cautious of how we trade GBP JP1, because I will not advise you to sell from this zone to this zone because the risk to reward will be very, very small. So I will advise you to allow the price to complete this, let it complete this higher low. Sorry, let it complete this lower low. After completion of this lower low, you now watch for price action and see if we continue selling. If price break this zone, if price break this zone, we'll continue selling. But if price don't break this zone and come back here, see buy pressure and break our lower high, that means we will start buying GBP JPY. So this is how we take approach on this pair. Next pair on our list is Euro JPY. On a monthly time frame, what are we seeing? We have experienced higher high at this zone, higher low. Okay, and currently we are at monthly support level, very close to this support level. So let's see what will happen at weekly time frame. So this weekly time frame, in the weekly time frame, you can see that we have tested this weekly resistance level. This yellow bar is our weekly resistance level. Price bridges before, went back there for a retest, and we are coming down to this monthly support level. So do you buy or sell at monthly support level? No. Price action will determine what will happen here. So let's go down to daily time frame for further analysis. So on a daily time frame, price is trying to complete the equal low on a daily time frame. So this price might extend to this monthly support level or might see a reversal at this equal low of the daily time frame. But let's take a look on a 4-hour time frame where we're taking our decision. So on a 4-hour time frame, you can see we have our price also in a downtrend, lower low, lower high. This is our 4-hour resistance level, and we've put up another lower low, and these are 4-hour support level. And you can see that we have created double bottom on a 4-hour time frame. So we might not be able to see this set pressure towards the monthly support level. But all we need to do is to have patience and see what price will happen. If price break and close below, we'll continue selling. What do I mean? If price saw a buy pressure and break and close below this monthly support level, that means we continue selling. But if that didn't happen, let us wait patiently. Price can come and see buy pressure and break above here. That means we will start buying on a retest from this zone. So it's a two-way thing. Is either price break this zone, this resistance level. If price break this resistance level, we'll start buying. If price break the support level, we'll start selling. The 4-hour time frame will tell us the direction we will now follow because currently price is sitting on a monthly support level. So the next pair on this list is CHF JPY. So on a monthly time frame, you can see it that price is sitting on a support level. You can see it higher high, higher low. Tried to push off for higher but couldn't, and have come back for another higher low. So at the support level, do you buy or sell? No. You wait for what? Price action. Let's go down to weekly time frame for further look. So on a weekly time frame, you can see we are also sitting on a support level. That is our monthly support level. But from what I'm seeing here, we might likely see a break below this support level because weekly time frame we have broken below the weekly time frame. We are in a downtrend. After breaking this yellow zone, this is our weekly resistance level, and price has come back for a retest. After retesting it, price fast fall down to monthly support level. So I'm expecting to see price to break below this zone. If you break it like this, we'll start what? Selling this price. So let's go down to week daily time frame for further analysis. So on a daily time frame, the same thing, daily has given us equal lows. You can see double bottom. So if price break below this zone we are waiting for now, we'll continue selling. If price don't break below it, that means we will not continue selling. But this answer will ask answered in 4-hour time frame. So this 4-hour time frame where we have our resistance level. This is our resistance level here. 4-hour resistance level. Price can either break below this monthly support level or break the 4-hour resistance level if price break below above here. So if price resume on Monday, don't take any action. Allow price to form a structure. Allow price to do what? Form a structure by breaking above here, come back for a test, then we'll buy. Okay? Or we'll do what? Allow price to do what? To break the monthly support level. That means we continue selling. Let it break this support level. If we break it, we'll continue selling. So wait for price action to tell us which way to go. So the next pair on the list is USD JPY. On a monthly time frame, we are coming down because price has created higher high, higher low, higher equal high, higher low, higher high, higher low, push off another higher high, but they couldn't, and price is coming down. But the question is, this higher level that we are seeing now on a monthly, will you be able to reach to this monthly support level? Let's find the answer as we go down series of other time frame, starting on a weekly time frame. So on a weekly time frame, this is our weekly support level because price is an uptrend from this place, higher high to higher low, higher high, and another higher low. So the question is, will price be able to break this zone to give us something like this for us to continue selling down to this zone? Let's go down to daily time frame for further look. So on a daily time frame, what are we seeing on a daily time frame? We are seeing that we have created equal bottom on a daily time frame. Okay, but judging from this price action, because we are in a downtrend, judging from this price action now, lower low, lower high. Okay, we created this lower low here. Price have gone back for a retest, but this retest is not completed, and we have formed equal low. If I created double bottom, so all we need to do is now to go down to 4-hour time frame to have a look on what is happening on 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame, this is where we're taking our actions. Okay, now that we are at weekly support level, this is weekly support level. So it's either price break this weekly support level, we continue selling, or price break above the 4-hour resistance level. This is 4-hour resistance level. If price break above it, we wait for a retest and we'll buy, continue buying. So this is how we approach market on this week. So I will advise you to show patience, allow price to form a structure to give you definite direction before you engage. So this week we sit out on Monday, watch what will happen. By Tuesday, Wednesdays, we'll start taking our actions. But I know I'll be dropping free signals on our free Telegram channels because normally I drop signals there. So if you have not joined our family, join our family. I'll drop the link to this free Telegram channel so that you're able to take my signals. And if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Also share this video to any of your groups, any of your friends. Let them come so that we form this family. Let it be a big family. See you guys in my next episode. Cheers.